Question is asking, what is the equation of the line which is passing through this point, okay, and parallel to this vector? So how do you try to sketch this part? If I consider this is the x-axis, if I consider this is the y-axis, if I consider this is the z-axis, there is a line which is passing through a point called A. Okay, there is a line which is passing through the point called A, 1, 2, 3. So this is the origin. So this is vector A, correct, position vector of the point A, and is parallel to this particular vector B. The line is parallel to this vector. The line is parallel to this vector. Is it okay? So let me consider one point, arbitrary point, point P, whose coordinates are, this is nothing but vector R. I will consider the coordinates of the point P be x, y, z, correct, x, y, z. So what is the vector equation of this particular line? Vector R is equal to vector A plus lambda times vector B, where lambda belongs to the set of what? Real numbers. It can be any constant, lambda, mu, alpha, theta, anything you take, okay, depending upon what is given in the option. Now what is vector A? Vector A in this case is nothing but vector OA, which is nothing but 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, correct? And what is this vector B? Vector B is nothing but 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. So if you directly substitute here, you will get the vector equation is 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap plus lambda times 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus of 2 k cap will be the answer to the question. This will be the answer.